Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a Royal O model. Kind of call these flat top. Got that nice flat lid. It's in mint condition. Been reconditioned to look and work perfect. So last thing we're going to do to this is put the rest of the feet on here. So I put the bottom 2 feet on here, which were deteriorated to nothing. Not much left of these, hard as a rock. And so we got 2 new feet there, but we're going to put the 2 feet up here. I was going to leave these because it's not too bad. This one's a little worse. It's crumbling. It's about to break in half. So I decided to go ahead and do all 4 of these. So here's the next one I'm going to do. And this it's got a little special little screw here. Sometimes you can get these loose with just a screwdriver in the slot, but a lot of times you need to have a special screwdriver that I made. I made this one out of this piece. It had an end just like this, and then I ground it down so it fits in here just perfect, like that, and then turns. Once it's broken free, you can kind of stick your screwdriver in here and turn this anyhow. So there's that off, and here are the new feet, and it's countersunk. See how the hole's here to the side a little bit? That's important because the hole here is on the side. So let's separate these pieces here. See if I can get these to come apart. So there's a metal type of washer here, and the big screw, and then there's this cap on the bottom. It's got a notch here, so it fits in only one way. Okay, got that freed up. Looks good. So this goes in this way, so it lines up with that hole like that. And then this piece also has a wide side and a narrow side, and you can see which way it goes, like that. And then the screw just goes down here in the middle like that. Now the only trouble I'm having with these feet are they're too good. So when you put all these pieces together, there's very little thread that shows right there. If you push it, you can get more of the thread to show right there. But that's all you got to get this started with. So let's see if I remember which way this goes. So this goes with the cone on the outside. So right there is where it should go. Now kind of the trick I had was you got to push this screw in pretty hard when you're starting it. Yep, that's good. It started. And it's pretty tight right away, so it's best to get this other screwdriver out and crank it down that way. Turn this thing until it gets tight. Right there, tight as could be. That is a perfect fit. It works really, really slick. Let's open this one up. Okay. Loosen this up a little bit. Alright. Again, we're going to pop the pieces out here. Okay. And there's the nice new shiny piece. So this goes like that, lines up with the hole. Wide side goes that way. And put the screw right through there. And we'll see how much of that protrudes. Not much. Let's try this again. Let's see if we can get this to start. If we can get it to start, we'll be in good shape. Alright, so let's push all these pieces together. That goes just like that. Almost feel it started. That started no problem. Let's use this piece, tighten it down all the way. One more turn and it's going to be locked in there. That's it. All right, looking good. All right, let's move this towel out of the way and set this down. Let's see how it feels. Boy, that feels good. Really grippy. Nice balance. Wow, those are looking and feeling great. All right, let's type a little on this and see if it's how she's working. Looking good. All right, so I got those feet from Charles over here at mytypewriter.com. You can look him up. He's got a lot of typewriter feet available. That was mytypewriter.com, and that's where we got these feet from. They're sure looking good. A lot better than the originals, which were just shot. That's the way these get when they're old like that. But feeling good. All right, Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.